All right, so we've got two different types. If you look at jacks versus, is that yours, Kate, behind you?
Yeah.
So who's right and who's wrong?
Both of us. Well, both right. He could just convert at the end.
That's right. So he's labeling his percentages as whole numbers. Why are they both right? Right, you can divide across the inequality by 100 and just they come out to be the same equations. So which one do you guys want to go with? Kate's or Jack's? We got half and half. I went with Jack's last time, so I'm going to go with Kate's this time. And we're going to keep it as presented. So constraints. And Cooper had a great question too. So, and I'm actually going to take off a little bit from Kellen's too, because just in case,
It's a
is it 0.03? Is it 3% or 3?
That's 0.0.
And then the other one, you might actually get the right answer in the end because it's divided by 0.10, 0.03x. Is that correct?
0.03y plus 0.02x. Greater than or equal to
2y is greater than.
And then we have
4y.
so we have partially Kate's and partially Kellen's. If we all worked on this together, we get a perfect score. And then we have the non-negativity. So Cooper had a question about the non-negativities. These are percents. There's a negative percent. So is this? Do I still have these constraints? Do I still need these constraints? Because that'll give you a different answer. Why would you need this constraint still?
Because it's like you can't have a negative amount of like.
You go back to the decision variable definition and it says number of units. You can't have negative number of units of ads. So you have to kind of know what you're doing as you go along. Does that make sense? Is that what you're going to say too? So that's true. But you can have a decline in sales. So that percentage could be negative, that coefficient out in front of it. All right. What's the next step? Now that you have this, these are just two variables. So there's a way to solve this with two variables without using a computer. Graph it. So I'm going to have you make the graph in the feasible region next. Right. Don't use Desmos. Right, go for it.